Introducing our powerful pressure washing service for hard surfaces, the ultimate solution for restoring the beauty and functionality of your outdoor spaces. Our professional team of technicians use state-of-the-art equipment and powerful cleaning solutions to blast away dirt, grime, and stains from surfaces including sidewalks, brick, concrete, and driveways. Our pressure washing service is perfect for removing years of built-up dirt and grime, and restoring the original beauty of your outdoor surfaces. We use a high-pressure water stream that can effectively remove even the most stubborn stains, such as oil, grease, and rust. The result is a clean and polished surface that not only looks great but is also safer to walk on. We understand that your outdoor surfaces are an important part of your property, and our service is designed to not only make them look great but also to protect your investment. Our service is suitable for both commercial and residential properties, and we are able to customize the pressure and cleaning solutions based on the surface and the level of cleaning required. Trust us to bring back the original shine and luster of your outdoor surfaces and make them the pride of your property.